Hello and welcome to our demo of our interactive and modular sculpture called the Cosmic Slot Machine. We have the first cuboid designed with flying creatures with a low resistor value and high analog reading values. Here we have the sea creature cuboid with analog band values from 450 to 550. The cloud-themed cuboid, which has analog band values from over 550 to below 970. Finally, we have the sea cuboid, which has the analog band values of anything below 400. The cuboid's copper points are arranged diagonally to ensure that the cuboids fit the stand's pad in multiple interchangeable orientations. Each of the copper stand have different audiovisual functions, with the first stand introducing sound effects and smoky nebula animation from TouchDesigner. Here we see Frank's eye blinking, confirming that he detects a cuboid in the pads. The second copper pad section introduces background music and pulses in our audiovisual system. The last copper stand introduces something different. Instead of sound, it controls the pitch and speed of the overall audio, while it changes the mood of the visuals through different colors. Exploration and play is encouraged for users to see and hear different combinations. For example, I put the cloud cuboid in the second pad and it plays electronic synths. Adding the sea cuboid to the first pad plays a sea wave sound effect, creating a new audiovisual combination. I add the sea creature cuboid to adjust the pitch and speed. Putting the three cuboids in place, Frank's eyes fully glows as he recognizes the copper pad's plate is full. To play around a little bit more, I swap the first pad's sea cuboid and replace it with the flying creature cuboid. The resulting sound effect changes and I swap around one last time. Frank's eyes are still and hints at something. Where is the cosmic slot machine, you ask? The hidden system within our sculpture is revealed, with none other than light pointed towards a light sensor hidden underneath Frank's plate. Anime-style visuals are used for the rolling systems of numbers 1 to 7, while the bottom visual reveals different passages depending on the result of the slot machine rolls. After our initial demo, we received feedback of the cohesiveness of our project's visual theme. While the Cosmos layer and the cuboid theme was unified in design, the slot machine layer lacked cohesion with the rest of the theme. The anime-style visuals was interesting, but it doesn't tie successfully to our overall theme. We decided to iterate, and our visual artist created a much more playful, dystopian, and cohesive iteration for the aesthetic world of our cosmic slot machine. Overall, we learned a lot from this project. Designing the jointless cuboids with a specific theme in mind pushed our creativity. The diagonal design of the cuboid's copper points allowed us to design a copper pad stand, giving us the opportunity to make the cosmic layer and Frank come alive with varying different interaction options. Laser cutting and converting design to vectors was fun, but not considering the curve was a huge painful lesson for us. We ended up having to manually file the plywood to successfully fit and assemble the cuboids. Pre-planning the different resistor values was important in solving the noise issues via the band values, while using Tinkercad to create circuits virtually helped us plan better before assembling the hardware and the circuit. Using the signals from Arduino and TouchDesigner helped us understand how raw voltage values from different resistors could be translated into something felt rather than just read. We mapped these values to pitch, color, and animation speed, giving each cuboid its own distinct audiovisual character. Each cuboid combination is a different sentence our cosmic slot machine chooses to speak. It helped us realize that the resulting outputs weren't decorations on top of the data. It gave our sculpture an interactive body, something that could be touched, rearranged, and actually felt.